Hi folks, my name is Scott Jewell. I'm from Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I'm going to do a quick walk around video for you guys on the 2020 Hideout 178LHS. First thing I'm going to point out to you is something that's a new thing this past year is we have the solar prep. So it's all prepped to charge your battery, and you can plug in a solar panel that's portable, put that on the ground, and that'll keep your battery up and charged. You've also got nice storage area that runs through to the other side of the unit. This 178 model also has a power awning. As you can see, there's an LED light built inside. It's got outside speakers, and those have like a little blue LED light that lights up inside there. They have the solid steps now, so it's a much better step than the old pull-out steel steps. They're aluminum step wells here, so it's a nice light step and a lot more solid than the old ones. So you got your single axle, so it's real easy to tow. This unit only weighs 3,320 pounds. Overall length with the tongue and the bumper, it's about 21 feet. The box is about 17 and a half. So of course you got your water heater on the back here. We do have stabilizer jacks front and back. And then we also do order all of our units as an option. It comes with a spare tire, and we order that on all of our units. We don't charge you extra for that. So we're gonna take a look inside. So as you can see inside the 178, you've got nice storage up above the dinette. It's got 3 doors there. The dinette itself is a nice wide dinette, so a lot of these smaller trailers are narrow. They're 7 feet wide, maybe 7.5. This is an actual 8-foot wide trailer, so you still get a dinette you can fit 4 people around. Most of these units that are 17, 18 footers, you can only fit 2 people at the dinette, and it'll only sleep 1 person. This will sleep 2 people. So, and up along the wall there, you've got your thermostat for your heat, and then you have your tank monitors. That'll tell you your tank, how full your tanks are, and then how good your battery is. And then there's also a spot up top there that's reinforced to mount a TV. It's all pre-wired with the antenna, so you just need to put a TV up on the wall, which is real easy. Also, you've got the kitchen on the side here, and again, nice big cabinets. They're deep enough for a full-size dinner plate. A lot of your trailers are not, but they think about those things. Hideout does a good job in that. You've also got your air conditioner there. That's basically the same air conditioner you could buy for your home. So the nice thing about that is you can plug it in to the side of the house, the trailer, and use everything in it, even the air conditioner. You won't have to worry about blowing a breaker. And then of course you've got lots of nice counter space. A lot of counter space for something this size, again 17, 18 footer. And you've got a nice deep sink. You do have a gas electric refrigerator. The little square thing to the left of that's going to be your Faucet radio. That is a specific RV radio with Bluetooth. And when I say specific RV radio, what I mean by that is it's made to be shaken down the road, and the solders are better than your normal radio. And then down below there's going to be your furnace, of course. And then you've got a couple drawers and just a good amount of space in this unit again. Another nice thing that they did was they added a little decorative kind of backsplash back there behind the cooktop there. So, all right. So in the bathroom of the 178LHS, first thing you'll notice is the very large bathroom itself. It's got lots of counter space there, a nice sink. Again, a lot of these smaller units do not have a sink in the bathroom. They'll have the toilet and the shower, but this has everything in here. Big enough to change your clothes in. You can move around a little bit. You got nice storage down below the sink. You got a nice foot flush toilet, so you do not have to bend over, use your hand to flush it with a hand flush. And over on the other side of the bathroom, you have your stand-up shower. So you've got a lot of room in there. You do have a shower curtain. And an adult, I'm a full-size male adult, 6 foot tall, and I can fit in there and take a shower no problem. So up in the front here where the bedroom area is, you've got a window on both sides. Those windows do open with screens. You've also got a shirt wardrobe on both sides. So plenty of room for your shirts and other things like shorts you can stack in there. You do have on the right side USB ports, and then you do have 110 outlets also. And you can see on both sides of the bed there's plenty of room to set anything you need, clock, CPAP machine, whatever you You need another thing that's a nice feature in this is, again, I keep saying short unit. This is only 17, 18 foot box, but it's actually got a walk around queen size bed in it. A lot of these units have a bed that just sits sideways and you have to crawl over the other person to get out of bed. So this is much nicer. So all in all, something this size has just got a ton of features in it. All right, so thank you for watching my quick little tour of the new 2020 Hideout 178LHS. If you have any questions, you can call me direct at my desk, 616-965-9624. You can text that number also, or if you'd like to email me, it is scott@veurinksrv.com. Again, thanks for watching.